Why is there a tax levy on your paycheck? By the way, going up to the office here. There is a tax levy on your paycheck because the IRS or your state believes that you have an unpaid balance due to them, and they believe that it is now time to take matters into their own hands. They probably sent you a few notices up to this point, informing you of your balance due and that, the repercussions of what's going to happen if you don't pay that balance due. And they felt like you weren't taking action on the issue, and so they decided to take matters into their own hands and basically attach your wages. They sent a notice to your employer stating that instead of paying you everything that you earned, they should pay a portion of it to the IRS if this is a federal tax levy, or the state if this is a state tax wage levy. Okay. The good news is if this is an IRS wage levy, sometimes they can be agreeable to removing it in favor of something like a payment plan, or if you can show that this levy is causing you hardship, you may get a full levy release, maybe a partial levy release. If it's the state, states have their own rules. Some states will release a wage levy in favor of an installment agreement. Some states won't. But of the states that won't, some states will agree to reduce the wage levy amount, the tax levy amount, to the amount that you would pay them in an installment agreement if you were in an installment agreement with them. Okay, so the rules definitely vary by state. IRS has its own rules. Every state has its own rules. You gotta know what you're working with. So if you do have a tax levy attached to your wages right now, you do qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. You can give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.